our new spot. Our new spot. See if we have any better luck as the sun goes down. We went to town to eat and been here a while. Still no bites. So there's a Leo truck. I'm going to see if it's the same game warden from this morning so I can show him my license since I found it. So we left because it's getting ready to storm or rain and don't want to be on the water then. We're heading back. Here's the puppies. Bando. That's Bando's butt. Bandit, come here, Bubby. I don't want you back there with my fishing vest. Good boy, thank you. And anyway, that was not the game warden. It was a Leo, and he said that the game warden is still here, and he will let him know that he had eyes on my license. And so we struck out today, but we will try again another day. I don't know what to say about us striking out a lot lately. Do you, Jana?
We got to get rid of that fish in the freezer before we start catching fish, I guess.
That's it. We got to get rid of the fish in the freezer.
Look at this camper.
Oh yeah, look at this camper. I'll turn it around so you guys can see. It's a homemade camper coming up out of the lake. That's what we see, a trailer, a cargo trailer.
With a screen door.
Lots of solar on top and a screen door. Drop down in the back. Anyway, I'll show you around a little bit.
He's got a truck camper.
A truck camper too? He's pulling that with a truck camper?
Yeah, a little pop-up truck camper.
How cool is that? And anyway, we're in Loop B, which is tent camping, or no electric, no water. And you have to go through there to get down to the lake before you get back to our campground. So I hope you guys are having a good day. And by the time you see this, maybe we will have tried again and caught some fish. Who knows? So Jen and I were driving around as we left the lake. And as you can see, there's fire and wood, and that's flaming. There's water right there. Camp post is right there. I walked over and told him we had a bucket and we're willing to put it out. And he said, nope, that's the ranger's problem. I was like, are you sure? We're right here. We're happy to put it out. And he said, nope, that's the ranger's problem. I don't want you to put it out. So we're driving away. And anyway, weirdest thing we've ever run across. So we came up to the visitor center and the facility grounds, hoping to see a ranger and just make sure that they're aware that they have kind of a hazard. Jen and I are both just gobsmacked and speechless that the guy didn't want us to put it out. And there's one more facility center we can check at. The problem is it's already 5 o'clock or 10 till 5, and they've probably gone home for the day. So Jana went into the office, and the game warden is still here. That's the guy that we saw this morning. And so she'll be able to tell him that I have my license. But she went in there to let him know, and at least we did our part. That's really quite dangerous. I don't know why the camp post said don't put it out.
Game warden.
Did you tell him I have my license?
No.
You didn't tell him?
No. I didn't. Bandit, look at your little face. What have you been doing? You been digging?
Okay, here we are at the end of the evening, and there is Jana, Frugal RV Gal. And believe it or not, there is a Sammy Joe underneath there. Hi, Sammy.
She's like, nope.
Nope, not coming out.
Nope. She says, it's cold.
And there is Bandito And I am so grateful for all my viewers and wonderful readers of my books. And y'all keep on keeping on. We'll see you down the road.